Okay, we found the book I was looking for. I see it. Guys, we're at the Commonplace Books. Say hi, honey.
Hello.
So we're gonna give this block. We're gonna give this book block a try, and I'm not gonna ask if I can record. I'm just gonna say sorry and put you guys away if they tell me to stop. So here goes nothing. How do I stop this? Oh, here we go. Hello. It smells good in here. Mystery Rider.
Agatha Christie.
Oh yeah, I need to read one of her books. I haven't read an Agatha Christie. This kind of looks cool though. This looks like a good situation. Small town charm. I wonder if this would be like a cozy, cozy mystery kind of thing.
Needs your job listing soon after the sudden death of her ex-boyfriend. She thinks she's being haunted.
Whoa.
The listing, a job as a live-in caretaker for a peculiar old man and his cranky cat in Driftwood, Alabama. Pretty good.
Kind of want it.
Heather Weber.
Add to TBR. I want to add that to TBR. This kind of looks interesting to me. I don't know what it is. I like reading books about book people. And then I also like coffee, so I think I like a coffee cozy mystery.
Alright.
Now back to Bigfoot watching woman watching Bigfoot. I think I got it down that time. That was hard. Ouch. Leg day is not for the weak. Well, they have Colleen Hoover.
You heard of that one?
No. Confess. I've heard of this one. Starts with S. I don't know if that comes first or after it ends with us kind of business. But people like Emily Henry too. She had like a new release recently and the people went wild. Oh, Maybe Now by Colleen Hoover. Well, well. Look what I spot here. Hardback versions. Which this is a really good fantasy. Where are we at? Literally?
No.
We're at a new bookshop
Literary.
that neither one of us have gone to. And we're going to see what we can find. Hopefully we can find Bigfoot watching woman watching Bigfoot. Goodness. Okay. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna see what we can see. I really need a snack and a nap and some wine. So, yeah. Okay, we found the book I was looking for that I'm having trouble to pronounce. Bigfoot, watching woman watching Bigfoot. And it's by a local author, so I'm really excited. So I also wanted to go to like a local bookstore and support a local author and bookstore at the same time. So I'm really excited to read this book. And Honey found a good bookmark. It's like really fitting. You can never have too many bookmarks, honestly. Never too many books, never too many bookmarks. Okay, so we're having our own little, what would you call it? Like a bookstore tour?
Bookstore crawl.
Bookstore crawl. We're having our own little bookstore crawl. So we're going to go to Barnes & Noble. Try not to spend anything. I'm probably going to get me a coffee, but try not to spend anything. Even though I have like $15 in rewards, I kind of want to save that for something that I truly, truly love. Because I would hate to spend my $15 that I racked up on a whack book. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm even more mad. So we're going to head there. And yeah.